I'm Justice, and welcome to Pop News.
According to recent reports, the Kim-Ye relationship is moving to the next level. Reports have surfaced that this dynamic duo is looking to have a baby, but not just any baby, a designer baby. This is a baby that they can alter to have the traits they desire, such as high IQ, low chance of disease, or even eye color. The couple was seen sneaking in to see the nation's top geneticist, Dr. Rosa. We sent our best reporter, Allie, to go talk with Dr. Rosa. Now to you, Allie.
Here with Dr. Rosa. Dr. Rosa, what can you tell us about Kim-Ye's visit here to the office? Also, are they going to be having a designer baby? Lastly, what's the feasibility of this becoming an actual practice?
Well, I can't release any details about their visit, but I can tell you that genetically modifying human embryos isn't feasible. The technique that would be used is known as CRISPR, and it acts as a pair of genetic scissors cutting out specific genes in the genome. It's still fairly new to the science world, so there are a lot of kinks that need to be worked out, but we're working frivolously to perfect this technique and use it to eradicate diseases someday. Specifically, the technique that would be used for genetically modifying human genes would involve CRISPR-Cas9, or clustered regularly interspaced short palindromic repeats. CRISPR-Cas9 is based off of the CRISPR-Cas system, which is bacterial in nature. The molecular structure from the CRISPR-Cas9 immune system can be used to edit the genome of the cells in mammals through introducing certain RNAs with the Cas9 endonuclease, which would cut the targeted gene sequence. This break in the DNA is then repaired through non-homologous end joining, or homology-directed repair. The homology-directed repair pathway that is created is used to insert DNA into a specific site. Genetic modification using CRISPR-Cas9 has been used in many different studies involving animals, and the results of these provide promising results for use in human genetic diseases. However, the efficiency of their in vivo target sites is not understood well, and as a result, this may lead to complications when trying to genetically modify a human embryo.
Well, the Kim-Ye designer baby was just a rumor, but genetic modified babies aren't out the picture. Back to the newsroom.
So, the perfect Kim-Ye baby isn't going to happen, but Allie found a case of successful genetic modification of an embryo, and this baby has 3 parents. How is that possible?
Techniques other than a CRISPR, however, has been used to modify embryos. One particular case involves a baby born with 3 biological parents. In this case, a 36-year-old woman was diagnosed with the Leigh syndrome, which is a disorder within the mitochondrial DNA that caused her to have a hard time conceiving and maintaining a pregnancy due to the extreme mutations. A genetic disorder that inherited mitochondrial DNA causes in her offspring. Her mitochondrial DNA was then removed and replaced with the donor's DNA, which allowed her to conceive. This procedure was accomplished through SNT, spindle nuclear transfer. After undergoing this procedure, a fertilized embryo was transferred to the mother, and she was able to go through a healthy pregnancy and give birth to a healthy baby boy at 37 weeks gestation. The baby born using the technique was biologically related to the mother, the father, the mitochondrial DNA donor. This specific case is the first case of genetically modified baby being born.
Genetic modification has already started to help solve problems such as those that occur with the mitochondrial DNA, and it can bring about many other good possibilities. However, this raises some questions about the morality and ethics, so we took to the streets of St. Leo to get a few opinions.
Hi, what is your name?
Hi, I'm Sergio.
What is your opinion on genetically modifying human embryos?
I think that it can be a really good thing. You know, if your baby growing in you has some problem like color blindness, with that you can genetically modify it to correct that, which is pretty cool.
Nice.
Yeah.
So what's your name?
Dakota Holman.
And what's your opinion on genetically modifying an embryo?
I personally don't agree with it because I don't think it's right to change someone's natural traits. However, it could be beneficial because you can change like diseases and help different problems.
Genetic modified babies would be a good thing for families who aren't able to conceive children, but but a few cons of it would be people who would be making babies just for the sake of having a child that looks a certain way, and they may not have the best interests of the child at heart. But at the same time, it will be good, once again, for people who are unable to have children and really want one in the world.
That's all for today on Pop News. See you next time.